Hey, today on the do's and don'ts of affiliate marketing, we're going to talk about loading people up with links. Now, I know they have the link trees out there, which are fantastic because it gets all the information out there and you can see it all on one page. However, if you're just coming into affiliate marketing, you've never done this before, you don't know anything about funnels or auto mailers or any of that stuff, what are you going to do? You're going to be confused. And what happens when people get confused? They walk away because, there's a lot of simpler ways of doing this. So when you start doing affiliate marketing, when you decide that you want to start doing this, keep it simple. Whatever your particular channel is, keep it simple to that particular channel. Don't muddle them all up. Don't mix them all, a little of this and a little of that. And if you do this, do that. Follow one rule, KISS. Keep it simple, people. And with that, thanks for following, and I'll see you next time.